Hi, good morning, class. Okay, so let's get started with our calendar time. All right, let's talk about the day of the week. So, who remembers what yesterday was? If you guessed Monday, you are right. Yesterday was Monday. So if yesterday was Monday, that means today is Tuesday. Good job. Okay, so let's try this one. If today is Tuesday, then tomorrow will be, what do you think? Do you think tomorrow will be Wednesday or Thursday? Right, tomorrow will be Wednesday. But today is Tuesday, so we're going to leave it on Tuesday. All right. So let's talk about our month. We had, like we said yesterday, there is a new month that we are in since we were in school. When we were in school, we were in March. And so this month is what? What is the month after March? Is February after March or is April after March? Right. It is April. All right, so let's talk about the date today. Yesterday was number 6. So what's the number after number 6? What do you think? Is it 8 or is it 7? It is 7. So let's count all the way to 7. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and see what kind of weather we're going to have today. It was pretty warm out yesterday. I think it's going to be kind of the same today, but we're going to double check on our weather channel like we always do. All right, so let's wait until it pops up and we see what the weather will be like. Guys, so we got our weather up here. Let's look at today's weather. Today's weather, look, it says mostly cloudy. So there's a little bit of sun and a lot of clouds. So there's some sun, some clouds. Does anyone remember what we call that? Do we call it sunny or do we call it partly cloudy? Right, we call it partly cloudy. Today's temperature to be 81 degrees. Good job. So let's go back here and look at our weather. And let's see. So on the side here, let's see. Well, it says partly sunny. So that is what we're going to pick, is partly sunny. All right. And what about the temperature? 81 degrees. Do you think that is cool or do you think that is hot? What do you think? Yeah, I think that's still going to be pretty hot. So let's go back real quick and talk about, because we always had talked about the next day's weather too. And even though we can't do it on here, we can still talk about it and see what the weather is going to be like tomorrow. All right, so look at tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to have, oh, what is this? This is something that it's not sunny and it's not cloudy. What's going to happen tomorrow? We might have thunderstorms. Remember, we had a stormy picture for our weathers at the calendar in the school. And so tomorrow it might rain, and the high temperature is 85 degrees. So that's still pretty hot. And so tomorrow we might have to put our weather person, not Brad the weather guy, but whoever we choose to dress tomorrow, what would we might use for them tomorrow so that they don't get rain on their heads? What do you think? Right, we might use an umbrella. So umbrella tomorrow to shield them from the rain. But for today, it is not going to rain. It's just going to be sunny and cloudy. And so we are going to go back here and finish our weather. All right, so yesterday we dressed our little girl in the wheelchair. So today, how about we dress a boy? All right, so let's look at the bottoms. What kind of bottoms do you think we should put on our boy? If it's going to be hot, do you think he needs pants or shorts? Yes, I think we should put our little boy in shorts. And then let's look at what kind of tops to wear. Should we put him in a long-sleeved flannel shirt or a t-shirt? What do you think? Yes, I think a t-shirt's a better idea because a long sleeve, you might get too hot. And our shoes. All right, let's look at our shoes. Do you think we need snow boots or do you think he would look better in tennis shoes today? According to the weather, what do you think he needs, snow boots or tennis shoes? Right. Tennis shoes. No snow here. It's going to be 80 degrees outside. All right, what about a hat? Do you think our friend needs a winter hat or do you think he needs a baseball hat? Yes, we're going to put him in a baseball hat to shield him from his eyes from the sun. And what about accessories? Well, we know it's going to be mostly cloudy today, just a little bit of sun. So I don't think we're going to need some sunglasses. And do you need mittens or gloves or a scarf if it's 80 degrees outside? No. So we're just going to say no accessories today. No accessory. And what about a jacket? Do we need any kind of jacket when it's really hot? No, we're not going to wear any kind of jacket today. All right.
Partly sunny and hot. Today's weather. Tuesday, April 7, 2020.
Nice. Okay, so we have our little guy dressed for the weather when it's going to be partly sunny and hot. All right, so now you can watch all of our videos that I linked yesterday. I put in the description, parents, how to pause, where to pause rather, and where to play each song that we normally do for our calendar time. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.